Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka company Orange Nissan kabadai ka way na kislam dia kali hapo kanong ba Shillong haka arpunyo tarik ujemang arjar khat khandai kala penlong ya ka jingya kendo lang jong kinong dia kali bala tip kum ka fleet partners meet haka ni ka jingya lang palat sau phongot kinong ishimenta na kislam dia kali prepare kila wan ishimenta kontopru ya kinong mi khmat na ka Mahindra Finance kibalawan batai sani halor ka kampisa pilan. Yakani kejingya lang lapanya do senior manager ka corporate sales u Sumit Seth but u Deep Jyoti Deka u balong area sales manager ka Nissan Motor India. Hagani kesngi lapatay banya ya ka kali Nissan Sunny but ka Datsun Go Plus ki balong ki kali babyang siya palat na kabenta ki fleet operators na marba ki don ka jaka ka bakulo siyapo ka jingduna bam ka umpenyang petrol but ka jinglot ru ka duna haba penbiang penbit ya ka kali.
Vehicle like which we are talking today, that is Datsun, Nissan Datsun, right? So we from the Mahindra Finance side, before we finance any vehicle, we have to see the importance of the vehicle, the longevity of the vehicle, how the vehicle is important. And I have seen like for last 1 year, the markets, if you see the growth and the markets like of the Datsun. Was doing very well. The performance also was very good. Till now it's doing very well, I'm telling you. Because we get the feedback from the customers even outside the states. We keep on talking to them. So how is this vehicle is going on? And one good thing I just want to share with you from the finance part, that for financing this vehicle, we are not like worried, like so to say, like sometimes when you finance any vehicle, we have to see whether this vehicle can go well or not. In terms of service, parts, everything we have to see. So far, Datsun is doing very well. And regarding the specification of the vehicle, I can't tell you much. I can talk you about finance. I can explain you only about the finance. Even in the vehicle part also, if you see the ground clearance, if you see the spaces, which are just, okay, this is a Pakistan job, I'm doing his job. So regarding the spaces, regarding the ground clearance, and the last that regarding the the price. So it's very affordable, and I know that everybody like you like the car. Once you drive the car, you will like it.
We begin with Nissan Sunny, which is known worldwide as a car which has been made for fleet. Just to give you a brief input on the car, all of our fleet partner friends would agree that while we have a car for fleet, we require 2-3 things which are really important for the car. First one being the car should have space. Your customer should sit with comfort and convenience. Second, the car should have a good boot space also, so that it is easy to carry the luggage. Third thing is, while the space is good on outer side also and on the inner side also, the car should be very safe so that it gives a feeling of security to the passenger who is traveling. And fourth, which perhaps may be the important point, it should be good on mileage so that you make good money on the car. So Nissan Sunny has got all these features in terms of space, in terms of mileage, in terms of boot space, and also the safety standards of the vehicle. So far we have sold 16 million Sunnys across the world in 170 countries, and there are a couple of awards which this car has won within India and abroad. So as I was talking about, the car is good on space, features, it's safe, and also it's a comfortable to drive. So while you are on the long drive, you don't get exhausted or tired while driving this car. So if you look about this space, I believe all of you would recall that ad which we said, it's not a car, it's a car. So it has got the maximum space wherein a passenger can sit easily as he's sitting on the sofa. So it gives you the comfort of a pure saloon.
Kung mga batay ba niya yung 90%, kamot nakasispak din ka, subo nakasispak din ka, hinday po din ka, hinaylon, subo din ka, hiyapsiyo. Katagalong nagkisot ho, hamsto, susyo, hinaylon, harano ko doon. nak si spark tingka tapi si spark tingka dor jom kali kendai po tingka kin ailon maki si po tingka bihapan siu Nrei hakiwi ki yupan kiwi ki company badi kali kim jula pan yok kumta borbor kapsiu arpusan tingka pan nyupusan tingka kin ailon Nrei tang nang betal company jungi ke company dat sen kumayong kidan borbor pan dana senda pan ni pan ya trelam tiga ais ndai po tingka si po tingka kapsiu naldi